Blackpool Magic Convention 2024. My friend Hanson Chen comes up to me and says, Lloyd, come here. I've got a secret gift for you. It's a brand new, unreleased Nicholas Lawrence trick. You can keep it as long as you don't show anybody what the trick is. I'm going to show you what the trick is. It uses a borrowed bill. I'm going to fold it. Oops, sorry, I got a shot. I'm going to fold it lengthways, just like this. And it also uses a key. The idea is to, if I open the bill up a little bit actually, is to take the key, find just the right sweet spot, and puncture a hole right through the bill. In fact, let me pull that down just a little bit, like that. Now that's not magic, that's just puncturing a hole through a bill. And this isn't magic either, look. Oh, you can hear it tearing. That's not magic. That's just ripping a bill in half. The magic part comes when you heal the hole and you repair the tear. Now you can immediately hand their bill back to them to keep. It's 100% restored and their bill's 100% examinable. What is going on with the dude? Okay, Lloyd doesn't have style. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another magic video. This isn't a tutorial. If you're expecting one, I apologize. I haven't done one of these for a while. I used to share all my favorite new tricks that were created by other magicians on this channel too, and this is the first one that's come up in a while because I was browsing the internet today and I found out that this trick that you just saw, called Swiss Key by Nicholas Lawrence and Hanson Chen, is actually going to be available today, like the 15th of May, I think. So because I've been sitting on it and I've been performing it for the past few months and I've wanted to show everybody what it is, I can actually talk about it now, but I felt compelled to share it with you all. This is genuinely not a sponsored video. No one's paid me to do this. There's no affiliation here. The only thing that happened was in Blackpool Magic Convention, Hanson Chen really came up to me and said, here's a brand new trick from Nicholas Lawrence. This is a gift to you. Don't show anyone. So if you feel like this is in some way manufactured fictitious review, then I apologize. This is just genuinely a good piece of magic and I felt like making a video today and this is the topic of the day. So let me tell you a little bit about it because I think it's sick. This is called, I had to check that a few times then. This is Swiss Key by Nicholas Lawrence and Hanson Chen, and this is the actual gimmick itself. It's like a spy gimmick, because it's completely self-contained in here and it does all the work for you. You also get a duplicate spare key that goes with it, but it allows you to do tricks like key through bill, which is what I use it for. You can also do a bunch of other stuff with it too, which is shown in the teaser trailers and things. Like you can make it do a cool sort of balance, and I've been playing around with using it for linking and then linking it off rubber bands in certain ways, but it's kind of for you to experiment with and learn from on the tutorial. But my favorite handling of it is to borrow a bill. I showed it with a US dollar bill, and I'll tell you the truth. I just think US bills look better than British bills. But I can show you what a British bill looks like. Hold on. Back. So polymer bill and the key, you just stab it through the plastic and you pull it down just a bit like that. Then we can literally tear, or apparently tear, the polymer bill and then immediately heal it. It's sick. Actually, it feels like it works better with the British bill, but I just think American bills look much more like appealing on video. Maybe that's just me being a weirdo. But it's from Hanson Chen, so the quality is literally I'm looking at it like it's literally amazing. Nicholas Lawrence is a genius. We've actually co-collaborated on a project in the past. Good friend of mine. Hanson's a good friend of mine, so there probably is some subconscious biases going on. But I will say something, which is I've made a ton of product overviews in the past, or a sort of deeper dive into certain products that I love, and I don't review them, I perform them and let Kaylee experience them, and her opinion is what counts because it's what the audience sees. So I haven't done a whole ton of these videos. I will say the closest you'll ever get to see me giving a bad review is that I won't talk about the trick and I won't show it, because I don't like to spread negativity. There's a whole culture of people who try and get people to review things negatively without even seeing or testing products out. It's not my game. I only like to spread the good stuff. So the reason you're seeing this video is because this is dope and I highly recommend it. This is not a paid review. This was given to me for free, but I have this whole wall is filled with tricks that have been given to me for free. So go figure. Okay, so there's a terrible green website, but it does have good information. It says it's available for pre-order starting today, 6 p.m. PST. And I thought that was something Kaylee got once a month. I don't know. 6 p.m. PST at hansen-chen.com. I'm probably going to stick a link up there. Highly recommended. If you guys want to perform this type of trick, then go and pick it up. Also, we're at nearly 100k, 99,000, 99.1 thousand as of right now. If you enjoyed this video, the next video will be a tutorial. Hit that subscribe button and I'll see you very, very soon. Peace.